Hello everybody, and today I'm here to introduce you guys our product, waterproof agent CY-664. And first, some basic information about this. As you can see, the appearance of this is white, but not transparent. Because its main component is fluorocarbon polymer, so it's not transparent. Look at this. And about its density, about its pH value when it works, I will put a picture here and you can check. And the number 2 comes to its performance and characteristics. This kind of product has an excellent waterproof and oil-proof performance in all kinds of fiber. And when you use this kind of product after dyeing, the original hand filling of the fiber will not be affected. And also it has excellent water resistance. And last, I will put a video here about the waterproof agent test, about the close effect after using this kind of product. Okay, thank you. That's all for today's product introduction. And if you're interested in our product, more detailed information, you can visit our website